Hello everyone.
U MLA
I'm
ka
here
UDP na
to
Nongpoh
state a
uba
few things
Meral
with
Bon Syiem
regards
hakan
to
neutrik
the
jeliu.
status of
Ula kerpat
the
ya ka Kong Bindas Syiem ka nong syong snong jong ka snong den ribhoi bakan pensangit no ya ka jingiakhih shah thngan jong ka. Namar ka jing penkrek ban shna no ya ka surok basan pupra kilometer na Nongpoh den Shasonapur kalaya syakman. Nga kentu ya kalong kumikong bindas im bahkan penkut no ya kani ka jingiakhih syak thangan jongka hakmat additional sekretarian kabala sedang naduk kan riu terik
Hello
mentau
everyone.
benai ong ubak
I'm
sim haba
here
penti
to
kenaru ban
state a few
budin
things with
halor
regards
kani ka
to
kambar
the
ke
status
sorkar.
of
Namar balangya iki jingkular thok haki por election kakong bindas hakan riu terik mentau benai kala penlong da ka jingiakhih syak thangan hakmat sekretarian ban dawa na kebenta ban shnano mardor ya kesurok Nongpoh den Shasonapur kabala jot rathai. Hadian lapan kenriak no ya ka syapo ka jaka penyang kali mar persyak ka additional sekretariat.
hello
Ha kabaya
everyone.
day bat ka jinglong jong
I'm
kani
here
kusurok
to
uba
state
meral
a
bon
few things
ulaong
with regards
ngakwa
to
ban
the
penpau hang
status
ni ba ka
of
jing
the
penkre ban shna ya
road
kani
from
kasurok
Nongpoh
kalaya
Umden
syakmat.
to Sonapur
Ngakwa ru ban
with
penpau
a
khamtam
stretch of
shiki pai ba ka thain
58
den area
kilometer.
bat baro kishnong ki ba kani kasurok kanya
We have
lingba
heard
om
in
duna na
through
kumba
social
shispa
media,
sanpho tuli
through a
kishnong
newspaper,
bakin yo ya ki jing mentoy
about
lingba kani
our
kasurok.
strike by
Kumta ka
one lady by
jingkerpat
the
ka
name of
jonga ya ki nong
Bindas
shong
Syiem.
shnong ka constituency
She's
jonga
well known to
bakin
me.
long ki bayai sya.
We
Kung
are from
unong
the
mi
same
khaman ubala
locality.
jir
We
bat
are like
syanya
family
hanga
members,
ngala persyang ya ka
and I
babhatam
appreciate
kata om
the
tang ha
steps
ka bay
taken
day bat kalinti
in
surok
a vibrant
Henry la ka
democracy.
long ha ka liang ka
Everybody is
umbam
free to
umdi ha ka
express
liang ka koit ka
whatever we
khya
like
ka puli
in any
puthi
form
ngala
of
persyang ya ka
expression with
babhatam kat
regard
bala
to
ka
any
bor
issue.
ulaong.
With regard
Nalor
to the
kata uni
status of this
UMLA
road,
ula
I
pentip
would
bana
like
kaliang
to
usumbut menteri rang ba
state
ka jela uba preston
that
tensong
it
ru
is under
ula penti kena
process.
ba
I
ya
would
kini
like to
kalinti
urge the
surong
people
on
of
pendap no hapo jong news
Umden
nem.
area in particular. I'm here to state a few things with regards to the status of the road from Nongpoh Umden to Sonapur with a stretch of 58 kilometer. Uh, we have heard in through social media, through a newspaper, about the hunger strike by one lady by the name of Bindas Syiem. She's well known to me. We are from the same locality. We are like a family members, and I appreciate the steps taken in a vibrant democracy. Everybody is free to express whatever we like in any form of expression with regard to any issue. With regard to the status of this road, I would like to state here that it is under process. I would like to urge the people of Umden area in particular and all the villages in which this route will lead to not less than 150 villages which benefit out of this. I would like to request citizens to be patient. This is the project which is under the pipeline. It is under process. The concept paper, the DPR, from the Ministry of Donor, the funding we are awaited from the Ministry of Donor for around 20 kilometer, which before it was 10 kilometer, but recently we had a review that it will be up to Umden, the intermediate lane, for the first phase for 20 kilometer. And this, the concept paper and the DPR consultant, they have prepared everything, and it is on the pipeline. And furthermore, from the 28 kilometer ahead till 58, either it will be from World Bank or PMGSY, either from these two. We are following very closely on this issue. So my sincere request to the people of my constituency is to be patient as a legislator that you have elected me. You have reposed faith and confidence. I have tried my level best, not only on road sector, be it on drinking water, be it health, be it education. I have tried my level best. On this sector also, I didn't sit idle since the beginning of my second term. I've been following very closely, and I'm very thankful to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Song, who have assured me that it will be done within this year 2024 in days to come. And my request to Kong Bindas Syiem to withdraw her hunger strike. She has been there in additional secretariat since yesterday. My humble request is that to be patient. Even to her also I express my sincere thanks, and to the people who went there to be with her, to accompany also, I express my sincere thanks. But my sincere request is that to please withdraw the hunger strike and to cooperate with the authority, to cooperate with the department. I have instructed the PWD Road Department and the DC is Hill also. I have spoken to give in writing about the status of this road so that she will have confidence on whatever we are doing. This is on the process. Maybe by today or this evening, the department will do the needful to hand over to her. My request is that she to withdraw the hunger strike, and if need be to meet her personally also, maybe tomorrow, or I can go to Shillong to meet and to convey this message, so that we need cooperation to work together, because I understand in the hardship of the commuters who are traveling to this route. It is very tough for traveling every day. Even myself also, I used to travel almost every day. It is quite tough for myself, for even all the commuters, the public at large, especially the patient and the student. So my request through you to her to withdraw and to cooperate with the concerned authority. And I assure that myself as a local MLA, I have been following very closely, and I have no doubt to say that it will fulfill one day, but we need to be patient.